Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Talks.
Hi, we are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Emily.
And I am Jack.
Okay, Jack, today's lesson, I think it will surprise you.
Really? Why? What are we learning today?
We are learning two words, just two words, that almost every English learner gets wrong every single day.
Just two words? Which ones?
Dramatic pause. Bring and take.
Emily, I know bring and take. These are simple words.
Oh, really? Tell me, Jack. Last Saturday, you called me and said, Emily, can you take some food to my house?
Yes, and you brought the food, so I was right.
Shaking head. Jack, you should have said, can you bring some food to my house, not take?
Wait, what?
See? Even simple words can be confusing, and today we will fix this forever.
Okay, I am officially curious now. What is the difference?
Stay with us because by the end of this video, bring and take will make perfect sense.
And if you are new here, welcome to our Daily English Talks family.
Cheerful. Please like this video, subscribe, and press the bell button so you never miss a lesson. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, here is the big secret, and it is actually very simple.
I am listening. Tell me.
The difference is all about one thing, direction. Where is the movement going?
Direction? What do you mean?
Bring means movement toward the speaker, coming here, coming to where you are.
Like, bring me that book. The book is coming to me, toward me.
Exactly. And take means movement away from the speaker, going there, moving away from where you are.
Like, take this letter to the post office. The letter is going away from me, to another place.
So, bring equals coming here, take equals going there.
That is it? That is the whole secret?
That is it. Bring equals toward you, take equals away from you.
Say it with me. Bring equals coming here. Take equals going there.
Bring, coming here, take, going there.
So, when I called Emily and said, "Can you take food to my house?" I was wrong because the food was coming to my house, so I should have said, "Bring."
Yes, perfect, Jack. You got it already.
See? Once you know the secret, it all makes sense. Coming here, bring. Going there, take.
Now let's hear bring and take in a real conversation. At home.
Emily, can you bring me a glass of water, please?
Sure. Oh, Jack, can you take these dishes to the kitchen when you come?
Of course. And Emily, when you come, can you also bring my phone? I left it on the table.
Here's your water and your phone. Now please take these dishes.
Thank you. Oh, I'm going to David's house later. Should I take anything?
Yes, take that book. You borrowed it from him last month.
Good idea. And should I bring anything back from his house?
Actually, yes. He has my umbrella. Can you bring it back, please?
Done. I will take the book and bring back your umbrella.
Perfect. Did you catch it? Bring, things coming toward you. Take, things going away from you.
Jack is going to David's house, so he takes the book away. And he brings Emily's umbrella back, toward her.
Starting to feel natural, right? Now let's hear another conversation, this time at work, and then we will fix the most common mistakes.
Hello, Emily. I am at the office. Can you bring me my laptop? I forgot it at home.
You forgot your laptop again?
I know. Can you please bring it?
Okay, I will bring it in 1 hour. Oh, and should I take anything else for you?
Yes. Take my blue file from the desk and also bring some lunch, please.
So I take the file and bring the laptop and lunch all at the same time?
You are the best, Emily. Thank you.
Now, let's quickly fix the most common mistakes.
Mistake 1. I will take you some tea. Wrong. The tea is coming to you, so say, I will bring you some tea.
Mistake 2. Can you bring this letter to the post office? Wrong. You are going away. So say, can you take this letter to the post office?
Mistake 3. Take your umbrella when you come. Wrong. Coming toward you, so say, bring your umbrella when you come.
The question to ask yourself is always, is it coming here or going there?
Coming here, bring. Going there, take. Ask yourself every time and you will never get it wrong.
Perfect! Quick review of everything.
Bring, movement toward the speaker. Coming here.
Take, movement away from the speaker, going there.
Bring me that book. Bring your friend to the party. Bring me some water.
Take this letter to the office. Take your medicine. Take an umbrella. It might rain.
And remember, if someone calls you and says, "Can you take some food to my house?" they are wrong.
Because the food is coming to the house, so it should be bring.
I speak from personal experience.
Now, homework time. Go to the comments and write 2 sentences.
One with bring and one with take. Like, can you bring me some coffee? And I will take this gift to my friend's house.
Sincerely, and if today's lesson was helpful, please give us a big thumbs up.
Inviting, subscribe to Daily English Talks and share with a friend who confuses bring and take.
Together, cheerful. Thank you so much for learning with us today.
See you in the next video. Bye-bye.